brand newly appointed space safety Nazi. That's right. You done graduated from industrial jobs or commercial jobs to space jobs. Now here on Earth, you were walking around telling Billy Joe and Jim Bob if you saw them without their safety goggles on again that you were going to kick them off the job. I know. I just rang a bell with somebody out there because they were thinking, I know exactly who you're talking about, man. I've dealt with those guys before. Yeah, that's right. They're hard. And even if you don't need or can't wear the equipment they want you to wear, it doesn't matter. You got to comply. So, we're going to strap you up, and we're sending you to the ISS to perform an emergency spot inspection by OSHA. It's a government job. Of course, they got to go, right? So let's go. Now, compartmentalization in structures such as land-based buildings, traffic tunnels, ships, aerospace vehicles such as the ISS, or submarines is the fundamental basis and aim of passive fire protection. The idea to divide a structure into fire compartments which may contain single or multiple rooms for the purpose of limiting the spread of fire, smoke, and flue gases in order to enable the three goals of fire protection: life, safety, property protection, and continuity of operations. The construction of such compartments and all their components is a matter of systems within systems, which use bounding to achieve fire resistance ratings, all interdependent, forming part of an overall fire safety plan. All components forming part of such a compartment are subject to stringent bounding in countries like the USA, where product certification is mandatory. Now imagine pretty much everything that goes on to the space station's got to be certified. Wouldn't y'all agree? I'd agree. So anyway, we're almost ready to dock. And remember, we are looking for safety-related items. We're looking for closed hatches. We're looking for safety goggles. We're looking for gloves. We're looking for everything. Oh, look here. This guy right here, he's on the land-based space station for training purposes. And as you notice, he's got his cook's hat on. He's got rubber gloves. He's got a one-piece Tyvek suit. I bet you he's even got safety boots on. And you can look around here and see how nice and clean it is. Everything's tied up. Everything's tied off. Everything's got a place to go. That's nice. I bet you he's got a shave before he even comes on this thing, because they don't want no rogue facial hairs, being in here. This place probably cleaner than the cup you're drinking out of. Let's go. We just made entry into the space station, and this room don't look so bad, does it? Right? Whoa, wait a minute. I don't see no fire extinguisher. I don't see no emergency breathing equipment. And I've noticed right off, open hatch. That's bad. That's bad, guys. If I see another open hatch, I'm shutting this thing down. Alright, fella. Where's your safety goggles at? You got shit floating around in here. Just, because I'm the safety man on the job. And I don't care who you are, I'm going to call you down on your safety shit. Now, I'm telling you, they tell me that space dust traveling at 1,000,000 miles an hour punch a hole through 1 inch of steel. So I imagine it doesn't have a problem punching a hole in your little air capsule up here. Now, what I need to know, sir, is where are your safety goggles? I don't see them. At the very least, you need to be wearing them. And where's your fire extinguisher at? I don't see that either. You got all this crap floating around in here with you? Man, you are unsafe. You are unsafe. You need to go see your supervisor, tell him to give you some safety equipment, and close that hatch on your way through, sir. Buddy, what are you doing? Is that a treadmill you're on with a pair of scissors on it? Absolutely. Look, you need some safety boots, and you need some eye protection. I don't know what you think you're doing. Where is your fire extinguisher in here? And why is that hatch open? You didn't ever work on a submarine, did you? I didn't think so. Hey, fella. What are you doing? I'm Jeff. I'm the new safety guy, OSHA guy. And I'm here. What is this? Why are you barefooted up here? Are those OSHA approved glasses? And why is that door open? Man, look, I'm going to have to call a whole meeting. I want you to go get all of your friends on this space station. You have them all down here about 5 minutes. I need to talk to all of you. Ain't nobody in here. Let's see what we can find. Everything seems to be tied down all right. That doesn't look bad. Uh-oh. Look at there. Another open hatch. Somebody done walked out of this compartment or floated out of this compartment and left the door open. Ain't that something? You ain't never gonna learn up here. Hey, ain't nobody in here either. Hello? Anybody in here? No? Well, let's see what we can find. I don't see no fire suppressant protection equipment. And all this stuff floating around up here just looks like a fire hazard waiting to happen. And uh-oh, another open door. Must be the same guy that went out of that last compartment. Ha! These guys. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a little hallway looking thing. I don't see. Look, shit floating around. Laptops with batteries in them. And uh-oh, another open hatch. Man. Hey, fella, what you doing? Yeah, well, where's your safety goggles at? Where's your gloves at? You know, down on Earth, they got to be outfitted in Tyvek suits and rubber gloves and these little skin hats. And how come? Hey, man, why's that hatch open? Did you leave that hatch open? Ha! What's your name, son? I want you to go down there and meet me down there in about 10 minutes with all the other fellas on this place. I'm gonna have a meeting with you. Anybody in here? Hello? Anybody in here? Martin, you in here? Huh? Let's see what we can find. No safety equipment that I can see. No emergency breathing apparatus. I don't even see a fire extinguisher. And uh-oh, look, another open hatch. That's pretty interesting. Whoa, lady, I don't know what you're doing, but that is not an OSHA-approved safety harness. Now, I'm going to need you to go downstairs and hang out with them other boys till I get down there. And what are you doing up here anyway? Where's your safety goggles at? You ain't got none. Well, you need to go see your supervisor. Go get some. And, hey, what is this? This is an open door? This is a fire hazard, lady. Close that hatch on your way out. I'll be down there shortly. Hey, what are you two doing? What are y'all doing? Where's your safety goggles? Are those OSHA approved? What are y'all doing in here? I don't even know what y'all are doing in here. Where's your fire extinguisher at? Well, I mean, I see you got some duct tape up here. You're working, ain't you? You working? Yeah, y'all are working all right. Y'all are doing some sort of funky experiment here. Somebody close that hatch. Y'all meet me downstairs. I tell you guys. Oh, Martin, you in here? Nah, he ain't in here. Let's see what else we got up here. Oh no. Another open hatch. Oh, another open hatch. Man, you guys, I tell you, I'm going to tear y'all a new one. Hey, you guys down here supervising them guys up there that you're pointing at, you say like, yeah, the space station is way up there, right up there. And this is a fake space station down here. Look how clean it is. See? Look how clean it is. It's nice, isn't it? That's very nice. The floor is just, you can see yourself in it. Here's the fake space station down here. Look how compartmentalized it is. You know why they do that? Not because they can't bring a bigger capsule up. Well, they probably could. But they do this for safety reasons. Yep, they sure do. Anyway, let's keep going. Hey, fella, what you doing there, Hakamuchi? I don't know what kind of crap you into up here, but where's your safety goggles? Yeah, where's your gloves? And you wearing shorts? You can't be wearing shorts up here, son. Did you leave that door open? Where's your fire extinguisher at? How about your emergency breathing apparatuses? Buddy, I need you to go downstairs. Wait for me. I'll be down there in about another 5-10 minutes to check and have a meeting with y'all. Lady, what's your name? No, I don't care what your name is. Where's your safety glasses at? Why are you wearing shorts? You're going to have to get off this job, go downstairs, and shut that damn hatch on your way out of here. And y'all going to kill me up here. Hey, dude, what you doing? Are you running? You can't be running on this job. Where's your safety goggles? Where's your gloves? Where's your safety boots at? Where's your fire extinguisher at? Where's your emergency breathing apparatus? And why is that hatch open? You people really don't know how to shut no doors up here. Y'all must have been trained in a barn. Martin, you in here? No? Let's see what we can find in here. I don't see nothing. Oh, wait a minute. What was that? Oh, no. Another open hatch. Hey, fella. How you doing? Yeah, well, friendliness ain't gonna get you nowhere. Where's your safety glasses at? Did you just come through that door? You need to go close all them doors you done come through. Where's your fire extinguisher at? Uh-huh. Yeah, meet me downstairs with the other boys. Didn't I tell you to meet me downstairs? Did you just now leave that door open again? Lady, what are you doing? I'm writing you up for sure. There you are again. Look, the doors. Look, the doors. You know, I'm just going to shut y'all down on doors alone. Look at all this shit. Look, what is this right here? What is all this crap right here? This is crazy. Hey, what are you holding there? Where's your safety glasses at? What? Oh, there's your fire extinguisher. Well, you might be better than the rest. Yeah, let's see. Oh, no, there's another open hatch. What's wrong with y'all? Oh, crap, there's more open hatches. Open hatches. Open hatches. Shit laying around everywhere. No fire extinguishers. No nothing. Hey, robot. Well, yeah. Well, all right. So you are in compliance. You can keep on doing what you're doing. I don't even reckon you need breathing apparatus. So you just carry on. Good job. Hey, fella. I don't know what kind of job you think you are, but we ain't in Honolulu, and you can't be wearing shorts up here. Where's safety goggles at? Where's your fire extinguisher at? Who left that hatch open? Tell you boys. Well, I'm sorry to say, but y'all have failed your spot inspection miserably. In fact, I would have to say, what you're doing can't even be real. If I had to make a safety opinion on what y'all are doing, I'd say it ain't for real. And I know there's at least one submariner out there watching this right now going, man, I tell you, that's bullshit. That's the first thing they would do coming in and out of compartments is closing doors behind them. I never saw one closed hatch. Yep, neither did I. Anyway, y'all have a good evening. This is Jeff, signing out.